Okay, so it is 9 maths class 9. Which exercise it is? Question number 4. Okay, question number 4 will start. Okay, so go to the question number 4. But 3 coins are tossed. Listen it carefully. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequency of different. 200 times toss, number of 3 of together 3 heads occur 23 times, 2 heads 72 times, 1 head 77 times, no head 28 times. Okay, so if the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability 2 heads coming up again. So first of all, it's a very easy question. It's a very easy question. So number of times 2 heads come up. Number of times 2 heads comes up. How many times 2 heads come? Tell me in the chat box, how many times 2 heads come? Yes, 72, very good. 72 times 2 heads come. And total number of times coin tossed. How many times coin tossed? How many times coin tossed? 200. Okay. So the question is the probability of getting 2 heads. Probability of getting 2 heads. Probability of getting 2 heads. Okay. So now one thing, students, total number of cases, that is 200, and in the numerator number of favorable cases, that is 72. Okay, just cut it. If I cut it by 54, that is 54 by, that is 8. Again you got 2, that is 9 by 25. It is 9 by 25. Yes, Rajanna, 1 by 5. How it is possible? Rajanna, how it is possible? 9 by 5, 9 by 25. Okay, that is. Now my question, I want to see who will the first 3 students can answer. Listen it well. From that question it is related. Find the probability getting 3 heads together. Find the probability getting 3 heads together. Rajanna, okay. Amrita, okay. Ronit Dotto, okay. Ronit Dotto 3rd, Nafisa 4th, Asraful 5th, Orpit 6th, Suhana 7th, and so first 3, that is Rajanna, Amrita, Ronit. These 3 are the students. Nafisa, quickly. Okay, 8 answer I got, but 1 answer still left. Who is that person? That is Amrita. Orpon Das. Orpon, why didn't you answer? Orpon Das, can you hear me? Orpon Das, can you hear me? Orpon Das, can you hear me? Why didn't you answer this question? Okay, related to, sir, I am having problem in hearing you. Okay, just cut it and rejoin it. Next question from that question, and this time I want to say the first 5 students. Who are the first 5 students who can answer quickly? Okay. Find the probability of getting one head. Probability getting one head. Oh my God, very good. So who are the students? First 5 students? That Ronit Dotto, very good, well done. Nafisa Akhtar, this time Nafisa Akhtar in second position, very good. Or Amrita in third position, okay, very good. Orpit fourth, Rajonna fifth, Suhana sixth, Orpon seventh, and Mahek 8. Asrafuluddin he's typing. Okay, probably 9. So very good, well done. A good competition among you. Okay, so moving on. The next question. That is an organization. Question number 5. An organization. Okay, go through everyone. An organization selected 2,400 families at random and surveyed them to determine the relationship between income level and their number of vehicles. Okay, number of vehicles. So the family information gathered listed. So from that list, that less than, if monthly income less than 7,000, so almost there is 10 families, they don't have any vehicles. One, that is 160, one vehicle. There are 160 families, 2 vehicles, 25 families, and above 2 vehicles, that is 0. No one is there who have above 2 vehicles. In such a list, there is 0. Okay. Now, question is, first question, earning 10,000, 13,000. First of all, total number of families. Question number 5. Total number of families. Total number of families, that is 2400. Okay, that is 2400, not 24000. Okay, now yes. Now number of families, and question is number of families earning exactly 2 vehicles. So between 10,000 to 13,000, how many families are there who have 2 vehicles? That is 29. So what is the probability of getting families whose monthly income between 10,000 to 30,000 and have 2 vehicles? That is 29. So what will be the probability? Probability in the denominator, that is 2400, in the numerator 29. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Next question, the number of families earning 16,000 and more and 1 vehicle they have. Earning 16,000 and more and 1 vehicles are there. So how many families are there? So in the denominator, you will know that the probability of getting 1 vehicle whose income and my monthly income is more than 16,000 and have only 1 vehicle is, that is 529. So okay, very good. So that is, the answer is 529 by 2400. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. Number of families earning 7,000 per month but does not have 1 vehicle. 7,000 per month but does not. There are 10 families such that. So 10 families such that, and they don't have any vehicles. So that is 2400. Tamanna, very good. Amrita, very good. Ronit Datta, well done. Orpon 120, Orpit 120, Mehek 120. Suhana Asrafuddin is typing. I hope, yes, very good, very good. Suhana and also Asrafuddin. All of you have given right answer. Okay. So next question number 4. Number of families earning 13,000 to 60,000 have more than 2 vehicles. How many families are there? They have more than 2 vehicles. Okay, yes, 25. So what is the probability of that earning between 13,000 to 16,000 and 25 cars are there? That is 25 by. Okay. That is question number 4. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Number of families weighing not more than 1. Okay. How can you solve? Okay. So listen to the question. Number of families weighing not more than 1. Not more than 1. It means those who have no cars, no vehicles plus 1 vehicle. I have to add all the term. So 10. Got it, everyone? That 1331 means those who don't have the cars plus 1 car. I have to add all the family number. Which family number? They don't have 1 car as well as who have 1 car also. So total it will be that 2062. Is it? Total 2062 families are there who don't have the sum of the families who don't have any vehicles as well as 1 vehicle they have, and 2400. That is 103231 by 2400. Got it, everyone? Any doubt regarding this question? If you have doubt, tell me quickly. Why it is 2062? Because 2062 means the number who don't have the sum of that number is 2062. That numbers are which don't have any vehicles in family as well as 1 family. So add it, you will get 2062. 2062. Any problem, students? Any problem? No. Okay. Now, red ball 10, blue ball 10, and yellow ball 5. Find the probability. I am giving 3 questions, and in one comment you will answer. Probability of getting green ball, probability of getting yellow ball, and probability of getting red or blue. Answer it quickly. In one comment, I want to see the first 5 students who will be first 3 or 5 students. Answer first. Then I will take your attendance. Okay, 1 students have already answered. Okay, so first of all I am solving, then I will tell you rank what the rank 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. PG, first of all, total number of balls, that is 25. How many students are, How many balls are there? Which color is green? No balls are there. So 0. Which is 0. Yellow ball, total number of ball 525. Yellow ball 5. So that is 1 by 5. And red or blue? Red and blue. That is 20 by 25. 4 by 5. Okay. 4 by 5. So who are the first 5 students who have given right answer? That Amrita, okay, Arpon, very good, Ronit Datta, very good, Nafisa Akhtar, very good, and Arpit Kumar, very good. Okay, also Suhana, Mehek, Asraful, only one answer, Asraful. And what is Rajanna's answer? Rajanna, your answer? Rajanna, your answer? Okay, so I hope, sir, due to network problem, I am not able to hear your words. Okay. So up to this student, this class, okay, next day again I will continue because of time. We could not discuss the questions, but you also today another video will be uploaded. Just follow that class. Okay, I hope.